people, and I am currently getting ready for my first ever YouTube fan fest, and I am so excited. I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Magiging crush na po kami sa YTFFPA.
Oh my god, I'm in Imer's vlog.
Like, is there only one day na pwede ka mag-vlog na hindi ka nahihiya? The day is the day, guys. It's like, no one's judging you. Pero like, wala eh. Kinuha nila yung ko eh. So disappointed.
O, dalawa pa, isa pa. Ikaw na mga dalawang tao ka. Di mo ko binlove? Di mo ko binlove? Di mo ko binlove?
Brand ambassador na po kami ng Milo.
Yun daw yung price pag na kiss daw.
Nanalo po kami ng Milo.
Hindi po, brand ambassador na po
Ay.
kami. Endorser na po kami ng Milo ngayon, kaya hashtag get to our level. Joke lang. Gotta get the lights.
Extra.
Oh my gosh, again sa Move, 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 move,
Extra.
move, move, move.
There it is.
Hey, what's up? Vlogging.
Yes.
Yeah, subscribe to their channels. Anong name nyo?
Michael Gard.
Michael?
Imer Pascua.
Nice to meet you guys. I'm so excited.
I like your voice po.
Thank you so much. See you guys. Sa loob. Name?
Charot, Carlos. Hello.
Ako din po.
Okay. Hair goals na naman ako, guys. I'm very sorry for my hair. I am with the two of them, of the three of us. Two pa lang. May kulang pa isa.
Sayang yung isa.
Kasama pa siya today.
Hindi siya makapunta kasi may finals siya.
So guys, kasama ko si Pop Kiddo. Hello. Flower crown. What a
Dati.
flower. Kung what.
Hindi, kasi dati naka-flower crown
Like, it's so tall.
Ayun ba?
Oh.
Dati naka-flower crown ako, tas yellow, tas ang dami daw mga flower crown yun. So paper crown.
Paper crown. Very smart idea. And very cheap one.
Oo.
I'm with Kuya Heaven.
Hi! Oh my god, my hair!
Okay, hi!
Hair goals ako lagi. Toink.
Ang ganda nga eh. Ang ganda yung hair mo. Hi! Ang cute niya! Subscribe kayo sa
It's
channel niya.
cute. Looks like Troye Sivan.
No! It's so big.
My youth is yours, dripping on skies with the waterfalls.
My youth.
So yun po, ini-interview na si Kuya Heaven. Yan talaga pag popular na.
I'm Archie. And these are...
I'm Mer Pascua. I am a entertainment and a daily vlogger. So yeah, please subscribe. If there's only one day na mag-vlog ka na confidently na walang titingin sa'yo, today's the day, guys. It's like, hey guys, kasama ko si Sam and his friend.
Hi guys.
Guys, I lost my friends again kasi kani-kanina ako sumasama, di ba? With Justin! It's like finally I meet you.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel guys. It's okay, Justin.
Okay.
I'll put the link down below.
Inutusan kita. Guys, alam niyo ba kung ang daming links na ilalagay mamaya?
Hello po! If may nanonood po na pa-chicken, subscribe po kayo sa kanya.
Thank you po. Isa po yung inspirations ko kung bakit ako nag-YouTube. Thank you! Kaya Ate Rosel!
Hi!
So sobrang nakaka... My heart is like...
Ba't ka ganyan na lang?
Ang weird nun. Nakakailang ka na! Alam niyo, pagod na kami pero maraming YouTuber kaya...
Bukang-buka pa na. Post na post na.
Ang glowy ko ah. Mamamihinga siya guys! Totoong tao siya!
Kasi may pila na! Ano ba?
Si ate pa yung nag-inspire sa akin mag-start.
Hello! Hello!
So much. I'm her
Army fam, hello!
Okay, so I just met Pamela Swing.
We
One of
met natin ba?
I'm so happy.
So down to earth.
Nako, ang little tank ko lang po dito si Jollibee.
Bye-bye. Bye. Ingat.
Hi, Ate Thea. Go na.
Oh, thank you so much for coming and watching
It was
this.
like Sunday follow-up. That is it for YTFF. Hindi ko naabuti yung live show kasi I need to go somewhere. And we are starting very, very early. It's like 8 a.m. and I'm going somewhere. And it's a surprise. Hi guys! Hi! Hi! Hello to Ivor. Hello! Join channel na Ivor. Pakitag mo si Ivor sa
Dito po tayo sa FEU Classroom Campus.
So guys, they're takeovering my vlog.
Idol ko talaga si Aimer.
Ngayon lang yan nalaman.
Di mo alam?
Nakita ko pa yung first video niya.
Di niya alam na nag-vlog. Ay, ma'am.
Hi to Aimer Salvador's channel.
I like that. I like that.
So yun po, no?
Chicken feet gang. One extra subscriber now.
Follow also my YouTube channel, Emilio Bonani. Thank you.
Makalimutan yung mga training ko sa'yo. Pag nagpa-perform ka, perform ka lang. Sabi nila, pogi mo daw. Huwag kayo masyado bababa. David, huwag ka na bababa. Tayo ka na. Okay, taas, taas.
Music Cafe Europa 9 is Don Bosco Boys.
Taray, may pa-dinner party si Mayor. Kasi wala. Sakit ba? Kasi wala. Hi.
So yun po, no?
So guys, I will end the vlog here and hi Emilio. And yes, malulubat na ako and okay, bye. So guys, always remember, be proud, shout it all out, and I am out. Bye-bye. Bye.
We got that hot love.